What's up guys, welcome back to Finance to Fly. My name is Luke and I'm here to help you elevate your travel while minimizing your spending. Today is one of the last days of 2024. I'll go recap my year and look forward to what's happening next year. So quickly to talk about this past year, I want to say thank you so much for liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing my videos of the last year. It has been a really fun ride since April, since I started this. I appreciate all the support and everything. It really means a lot to me, and I'm excited to see what happens over this next year. I know, in fact, right now, as I'm posting this video, I am currently in Munich reviewing the Rumors Hotel, an autograph collection hotel from Marriott. I just got done flying Austrian overseas. I've got a couple more flights coming up, a lot of stuff on the schedule that I'm excited for you guys to see and I'm excited to share with you, and I can't wait to see what happens in 2025 with everything and look forward to seeing you guys then. Now moving on to what I look forward to in 2025. The first thing I do look forward to is a personal thing. I look forward to finally getting out of 5 and 24 jail of Chase's application rules. I should be out in April or May timeframe because I'm at like 5 or 6 right now. I'm really excited to get out of that so I can get some personal cards on that side. Still deciding on what I might get, but I might get the Boundless if there's a 5-night sign-up bonus so that I can eventually get a 3rd Ritz-Carlton card, because using that travel credit, using that free night award, 3 of those, that makes a nice Thursday, Friday, Saturday long weekend pretty much anywhere in the world. Really nice hotel. It's definitely worth the $450 I would technically pay for those free night awards. Another thing I'm going to be excited about is I'm going to be able to cut some of the annual fees by canceling some of the cards that I've opened. I did open a lot over the last few years just for sign-up bonuses, and I've kept them just because I've been able to use the credits. But now that it's gotten to a lot, I'm really excited to be able to cut some of those annual fees out coming this spring, summer. That will help me get new cards and be able to open up more doors with more points. Some things I'm looking forward to the overall ecosystem. I'm hoping that Chase does something to their Sapphire line that adds some other type of bonus category other than dining. Dining is on pretty much every one of their cards, yet they don't have grocery. I don't think they have gas. They obviously have the Freedom Flex and the Freedom Unlimited, but they don't have like solid categories like 2 or 3% cash back for grocery or gas, stuff like that. I really like to see Chase add something like that to their portfolio. Just make it more competitive with Amex and Capital One and Citi in terms of the overall variety of categories they have available. I'm also excited to see who gains new transfer partners and who loses some. I know Amex might lose Hawaiian due to the Alaskan merger. Hopefully that doesn't happen for a while so you can take advantage of that little loophole, transferring Amex points to Hawaiian to Alaska, but that probably will come to the end in 2025. As far as other programs, I probably will hope to see Bilt add a couple more. I know they added 4 this year. They lost 1. They lost American Airlines, but they immediately added Alaska Airlines. That was really nice. They also added TAP Portugal, Accor Limitless. I wouldn't use the Hilton one. I wouldn't use all 3, but right, it's nice to see that they've continued to add more transfer partners where other brands have not added transfer partners over the last year. I think those new additions obviously aren't the best, but hey, it's nice to see that you are getting more and more options with Bilt. And then speaking of transfer partners, I'm excited to see Citi finally taking over the American Airlines card portfolio. This can open up the door to hopefully having them as a Citi thank you transfer partner to American Airlines. That would be huge for Citi thank you points in terms of value. They already have a lot of transfer partners that are just unique to them that Amex, Capital One, and Chase don't have, but adding American Airlines would just put a super bonus to that Citi ecosystem, even though the customer service is garbage, right? Like if you can deal with the customer service being terrible, then yeah, you probably are going to enjoy having the Citi's thank you points and being able to transfer to American Airlines. Obviously that's speculation that they're going to be able to be transferred to, but it would be nice to see that they do. It'd be nice to see that they upgrade their customer service because that would make them one of the big players, I guess, for transferable points. As for new cards in the market, I believe there's like 1 or 2 coming out that we know of so far. The first is going to be that Chase Palm card. It's a business card, probably going to be in the $700 to $800 annual fee range, kind of to compete with the Amex Platinum, or Business Platinum, I should say, since it's going to be a business card. Hopefully the sign-up bonus isn't that bad. I heard it's like 150,000 points with a bunch of spend, like 10 or 15,000 to spend. I do think that's kind of a uneven ratio. It doesn't compete entirely with the Amex Business Platinum, considering you can get 200 to 300,000 points with the same amount of spend, 15 to 20,000 spend. But overall, I'm excited to see what happens with that card. Another card that's coming out, premium card, is the Alaskan Airlines premium credit card that comes out in summer. I'm excited to see what they do with that, what perks they had to that, what kind of coupon book style credits, because for $395, that's an expensive airline card. They better add some good stuff. And then I'm also excited to see how the bonus categories work out with that, if you actually get the true 3% back or 3 points per dollar back on everything you spend outside the US. Moving on to my own speculations, I do think Citi might try to launch their own competitor to American Express's Platinum card. It's kind of been rumored every once in a while that Citi's working on a top tier card, Citi's working on a top tier card. I do think this might be the year. I think they might make a push for that, and then maybe an announcement to transfer American Airlines Miles. I think those two would hand in hand go really well together, and I wouldn't be surprised to see them putting those together. But either way, it'll be interesting to see how that turns out, and if they do put a premium card out there like the Amex Platinum's competitor. Lastly, I'm excited to see where 2025 takes me. I mean, 2024 took me a lot of places, mostly over in Europe. Obviously, I'm back there right now. I'm excited to see where 2025 takes me, though. I want to hopefully maybe get to somewhere that farther than Europe next year, probably next Christmas or something like that, a little bit after that. Looking to see, hopefully I figure something out, but either way, I want to hear from you now. How was your 2024? Anything fun you did over there? What are you looking forward to in 2025? You got any trips coming up that are planned? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you could hit that like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, have a great day, and see you next year.